Okay, so in today's video, what we are going to do, we are going to check the conditions of brake pad and how to clean the calipers. So last time I checked this when my motorcycle has done close to 13,000 kilometers on the ODO, and this time it is almost close to 19,000. And that time my brake pads was around 50-60% left. So let's check what is the condition of the brake pads, and also to let you know, these all are the stock brake pads till now. I bought this motorcycle back in 2023. Until now, I haven't changed the brake pads. I haven't replaced. I haven't done anything with brake pads. In this video, what I am going to do is I am going to tell you what all tools you need, the steps you need to take while checking the brake pads, and what is the cleaner I am going to use to clean the calipers as well. Clean the caliper of both front and rear. What all you need is, first is you need this top Starlink T30 it is. Then you also need a brake cleaner. So I have been using this STP made in Spain. I bought it from Amazon. Then you need a brush, a small detailing brush, a toothbrush and this detailing brush. Then you need 320 sandpaper, few pieces to clean the brake pads, and also you need a few pieces of gloves. So that is all we need to clean the brake pads. So first step will be is to remove this pin. This is the pin. Have to do, you have to use this Torx key to use this bolt. Okay, and make sure this pin is being put up back exactly in this way. Now I'm going to remove the brake pads to show you what is the condition. Front, so this is the condition of the brake pads, as you can see.
Music bed.
Now same steps we are going to follow for the rear one. Again, make sure you remove the pin first. This is the pin.
Music bed.
Let's check the condition of the rear brake pads. These are the rear ones. You can check the condition, the thickness.
Music bed.
Now I'm going to use this brake cleaner. It's a spray bottle, 500 ml, and it costed me close to 500 rupees. As you can see, there is a spray nozzle as well intact. Now I'm going to use a cloth.
Music bed. Music bed.
Now what we are going to do is we are going to clean the brake pads with the help of sandpaper. You have to scrub it very gently. Do not put any kind of liquid or anything to clean the brake pads. Just use only a cloth, a clean cloth and a sandpaper. That is all you need. The pads are still left, but the overall rusting is coming.
Music bed.
Also to share that why my stock brake pads are still in good condition. One of the reason is I do a lot of engine braking, and even if I apply the brakes, I apply it very smoothly. So maybe that is one of the reason that my stock brake pads are still left with so much life. I'm assuming close to 22 or 23,000 kilometers it will run. Right now, the rear ones, I can say yes, they have degraded quite a lot compared to front one, but I use the rear ones very less. And also the brake pads what Triumph is using on the front is sintered, which costs around 2,900 rupees if you buy them from Triumph showroom. And the rear ones are the organic, which you are seeing on the screen right now. They cost around 300 rupees only. So quite easy, quite good to maintain. Okay, time to put everything back to its original place.